Hello guys, in this video I show you how to increase the photo quality for free and quickly in Windows 11, how to light up dark photos for example. Let's go. First, open any picture you want to improve, for example this one, double click or right click, open with, photos. Let's make it a little bit bigger to see it better. You can see I have a little bit blurry photo here, and yes, the colors are also not very good. So all you need to do is click on edit, and here on the tab adjustment you can click, and here you have many options. For example, to change the brightness, it means I can light up a dark photo, and yes, many other stuff. Let's try to improve the quality. I like it, for example, to make the brightness a little bit lighter, and yes, to increase the contrast also. You can see it's a little bit blurry, so we can also increase the sharpness. It's up to you how much you take. Let's not make too much, because otherwise it would be, yes, as you can see, a little bit strange. Okay, the next step would be to have nice colors. So let's go and increase the saturation. And yes, there are also some other settings you can do, for example warmth, and let's do exposure also. Vignette, also very nice sometimes. Alright guys, let's see the comparison between before and after. After this, all you need to do is save options, save as copy, or just save it. So save as copy would be creating a new file, and just saving would replace the existing file. Thank you for watching and see you next time.